Hey guys, so I was normally just like playing and minding my own business, and my last puppet came. So I said, yay, my last puppet! What? Now I'm gonna pop it. So I popped it and I was like, is it dud or something? And I tried to pop it again because duds always receive another try. And so, oh, wait one sec. Just had to get the black off. So now I'm gonna unwrap it and see what's inside of it. Ugh. I don't like this black tar on my fingers. It's disgusting. So here you go. What is this? What? Why would they try to sell this to me? Why would they do such a thing? Here's poppets, rocks. Let's see if it will still pop. No, it won't. It won't pop. Stupid. What a ripoff!